relax. And to confirm expense tracking. Junalin, any issues? No issues, Charina. We are on a schedule. The 150 covers tech, marketing, and small contingency fund. John Mark will explain the tracking now.
Please remember, all hours and expenses must be logged. Under the new code P-407, relax. Nilsson and Masangkay, your learns must submit expense reports by end of the day by Friday every week. This is mandatory for cost control.
Denmark, my team, will need to buy new database license next month. That's about 15,000 pesos. Should I submit that request directly through the P-407 code or is that separate?
Submit it under P-407. It's a direct project cost. Just make sure the invoice is attached.
Understood. My team creative assets are all covered by existing $25,000 allocation. We will monitor usage closely. We will submit weekly report as requested. Perfect. With no other questions on tracking, the 150,000 pesos budget is now officially approved. Junalin, you have the green light. Let's finish strong and on budget. Thank you all for your cooperation. Meeting adjourned.